Hello viewers, I am Tarang Kumar Bundwal, Assistant Professor in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, Gurgaon. The following video is prepared as per the syllabus and course outline of Maharshi Dayanand University. However, are mostly general topics which cover the working and theoretical aspects of civil engineering. For better understanding and conceptualizing clearly, please do not skip the video and watch till end. We will be discussing about related important questions, feasibility and applications. Let's start the video. Hello everyone, hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this session, we'll continue with the subject engineering geology, and the topic of discussion today would be again mineralogy. We'll continue with the topic mineralogy in this session also. So the subtopic is distinguishing or diagnostic properties. तो जो प्रॉपर्टी उनको दूसरे मिनरल से अलग करती हैं, एक मिनरल को दूसरे मिनरल से, उसके बारे में हम जानेंगे. The set of physical properties which are consistently observed in a particular mineral are called as distinguishing or diagnostic properties. तो एक पर्टिकुलर सेट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज जो एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप के मिनरल में दिखती हैं, वही उसकी डायग्नोस्टिक प्रॉपर्टीज कहलाती हैं. As a group, these properties reveal the identity of the minerals. Example, quartz is of pale color with a vitreous luster. It has absence of cleavage and H value is 7. It is not opaque and medium specific gravity. All these properties as a whole will be observed in every quartz specimen but never in any other mineral. तो ये सब जो प्रॉपर्टीज हैं वो सिर्फ क्वार्ट्ज में ही दिखेंगी और किसी और में हो सकता है उसकी स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी चेंज हो जाए, और या हो सकता है कि जो उसका H वैल्यू है वो चेंज हो जाए, क्लेवेज का टाइप चेंज हो सकता है, लस्टर चेंज हो सकता है. तो यही उसकी डिस्टिंग्विशिंग प्रॉपर्टी है जो उसको अलग बना रही है. But all the physical properties are not distinguishing or diagnostic properties. पर जितनी भी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं वो सब डिस्टिंग्विशिंग प्रॉपर्टीज के अंडर नहीं आती हैं. So study of physical property of important rock forming minerals. First is quartz group. So SiO2, quartz is available in crystalline form. Then second is jasper and flint, and they are available in cryptocrystalline form. That is semi-crystalline, partly crystalline. So quartz, it is the most common rock forming mineral. It is silica in composition, mineral silica से ही बना होता है, and structurally it is tectosilicate. Physical properties of quartz: fresh appearance, it has got a vitreous luster, absence of cleavage, Mohs value is 7, medium specific gravity, non-magnetic in nature, and it is not opaque, colorless, and is a beautiful crystal form. Next is flint. So it is a variety of quartz and it is massive in nature, and remaining properties are like quartz, yellow in color. तो सारी प्रॉपर्टीज क्वार्ट्ज जैसी हैं, बस जो कलर है वो येलो होता है. Jasper, it is usually red, opaque and conchoidal fractures. तो जो जैस्पर होता है वो रेड कलर का होता है और कॉन्कॉइडल फ्रैक्चर शो करता है. Occurrence: quartz is a very important mineral in granites and many pegmatites. It is last mineral formed the crystallization of magma. Sandstones, quartzites, and 90% of quartz rocks. ये इसके मोड्स ऑफ अकरेंस हैं, जहां जहां पे मिलता है और जिस जिस फॉर्म में मिलता है. Uses of quartz. So quartz is used in the manufacture of glass, ceramics, silica wool, ferrosilicon and refractories. तो ये ग्लास बनाने में, सेरेमिक्स बनाने में, रिफ्रैक्टरीज बनाने में यूज होता है. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज एन एब्रेसिव एंड फिलर. तो इसको हमें अगर किसी चीज पे स्क्रैच देनी हो, कुछ शेप पर्टिकुलर देनी हो, कुछ डिजाइन देना हो, तो उसके लिए एब्रेसिव में, एब्रेशन में यूज होता है और फिलर मटेरियल की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज अ प्रेशियस स्टोन. Fused silica is used in making dishes or crucibles. In quartz watches, it is used to ensure accurate measurement of time. Quartz watches में भी use होता है. It is also used as a flux in metallurgy. Next is feldspar group. So it refers to a group of different minerals which possess chemical composition, atomic structure, physical properties and optical properties. तो ये एक उन materials का group है, उन minerals का group है specifically, जिनका chemical composition, atomic structure और physical properties and also optical properties same होती हैं. There are very few rock types which are completely free from feldspar or their products of weathering. तो ऐसे बहुत ही कम, ना के बराबर ही रॉक्स हैं जो कि फेल्डस्पार से बिल्कुल फ्री हो या फिर अपने प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ वेदरिंग से फ्री हो. So feldspar group is further divided into two parts. First is K feldspars and second is plagioclase feldspars. And in K feldspar, first is orthoclase and second is microclase. And in plagioclase, it is anorthite and albite. You can pause the video and check their formulas as well. For K feldspars and in orthoclase, it is white to off-white in color and its chemical composition is KAlSi3O8 and it is crystallized in orthorhombic system. Next is microcline. The formula is KAlSi3O8. It is triclinic system, pink in color, and this pink color is generally due to fine iron dust the crystal lattice holds. तो जो crystal lattice में iron dust होता है उसकी वजह से इसका pink color होता है. A variety of microcline is known Amazon stone. A variety of orthoclase is Adularia. Its occurrence. The K feldspar occurs in igneous rocks such as granites, pegmatites, cyanites, rhyolites, and trachytes. Next is plagioclase feldspar. So, plagioclase series has got two end members. First is albite, and which is given by the formula NaAlSi3O8, which is sodic plagioclase, and second is anorthite, which is CaAl2Si2O8, which is classic plagioclase. So it is to be noted that plagioclase and plagioclase both can be its pronunciation. So it can be pronounced in both the ways. So plagioclase are all triclinic in crystal system. They are tabular in form, vitreous, even to uneven fractures, two set of cleavage, and they are mutually perpendicular, and their hardness value is 6. Occurrence. So plagioclases are formed in basic rocks like dolerite, basalt, and gabbros. Uses of feldspar. So they are used in the manufacture of glass sheets, porcelain, and enamel. It is also used to make ornamental stones. Also, 95% of feldspars are consumed in glass and ceramic industries. तो feldspar से जो 95% प्रोडक्शन है जो भी इसका वो यूटिलाइज होता है ग्लास और सिरेमिक इंडस्ट्रीज में. So next is olivine. So olivines are mafic minerals. Olivine is first forming minerals from the magma. General formula is R2SiO4, where R is Mg1Fe. Its some other parts are forstierite, which is Mg2SiO4, and other is phyllite, which is Fe2,3PO4. Massive form. They are present in massive form. Their color is olive green. The streak is of white. That is, when we convert it into powder, it exhibits white color. Cleavage is basalt. Fracture uneven to even. Hardness value is 6.5, and it is of dull luster. So Mg2SiO4, that is olivine, plus water H2O plus SiO2 gives serpentine, which is 2Mg3 Si2O5 OH whole twice. Occurrence. So olivine occurs in quartz-free igneous rocks. For example, dunite gives 95% olivine. Peckrite and periodotite, these are olivine-rich rocks. So olivine undergoes weathering very quickly. Uses. So peridot is again a variety of olivine. It is transparent and green colored. हरे रंग का होता है और ये olivine की variety है peridot. By virtue of its high melting point, olivine is used in the manufacture of refractory bricks. तो इसकी utilization refractory bricks manufacturing में होती है. Next is augite. Chief mineral in pyroxene family. It is silicate Ca, Mg, Fe and Al. It is black in color. The luster is vitreous and massive crystal structure or amellar. Augite, they occur in gabbros, basalts and dolerites. Next is mica group. So mica group are phyllosilicates. Mica is further distributed into two classes. First is muscovite and second is biotite. So muscovite is also known as white mica. The normal composition will have Si4O10. तो जो इसकी normal composition है वो Si4O10 जो general form है muscovite इसी form में exist करता है. In silica, an atom of alumina substituted every atom of silica. तो सिलिका में एक एल्यूमिना का एक एटम सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा था हर सिलिका के हर एटम को. द फॉर्मूला इज KAl2 AlSi3 O10 OH F whole twice. So it crystallizes easily into monoclinic system. Ceresite is a common variety of muscovite. तो एक जो कॉमन वैरायटी है मस्कोवाइट की उसका नाम है सेरेसाइट. मस्कोवाइट अकर्स इन एसिडिक इग्नियस रॉक्स एंड आल्सो पेगमाटाइट्स एंड इन माइकारियस सैंडस्टोन. तो जिन सैंडस्टोन में माइका लार्ज क्वांटिटी में होता है उसमें भी मिलता है, इग्नियस रॉक्स और पेगमाटाइट्स में. मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स, इट इज सीन दैट मस्कोवाइट शीट्स आर फॉर्म हियर. So muscovite schists metamorphic rocks में भी पाई जाती हैं. Next is biotite. It is also called as black mica because of its black color. Because of MgFe that is present in it, the black color is responsible for this. So, magnesium और iron की वजह से इसके अंदर black color होता है. It is K MgFe whole thrice, AlSi3 O10 OHF whole twice. It also crystallizes in monoclinic system as we discussed it in muscovite. Physical properties. So the following are the physical properties for all mica minerals. Talking about color, muscovite is available in white color while biotite is available in black color. That is the reason it is called as black mica. So form, it is of laminar form. That means layer are separable. So it is applicable for both the types, muscovite and biotite, that it is laminar in form. Next is streak. It is of pale color in both the cases, luster pearly to vitreous. Fracture is uneven and hardness value is very low, 2 to 3. Cleavage, which is excellent and it shows perfect cleavage. One set of cleavage, that is basal cleavage. Specific gravity is medium, which ranges from 2.7 to 3.1. So uses of mica. Electrical industry uses it as condensers. Electrical commutatory and also heat resistance is its property. Lepidolite is mixed as an anode of lithium. So lepidolite is known as lithium mica. Next is chlorite. It is OH silicate of Al, Fe and Mg. Aluminum, iron and magnesium. Mg5 whole 5, MgFe whole 5, AlSi3 O10 and hydroxide, that is OH group whole 8. So chlorite is green in color. It is available in layer forms. It shows streak of pale color. The luster is from pearly to resinous and the fracture is uneven. The hardness value ranges from 1.5 to 2.5. It is scratched easily even by a fingernail. The density is medium and specific gravity ranges from 2.7 to 3.0. Its occurrence. So it occurs commonly in chlorite schists and phyllites. In igneous rocks, it occurs as ametic mineral and alteration mineral. So next is talc. So talc is extremely soft. It is a non-metallic economic mineral. Its form is foliated, color white and sometimes pale colored, maybe green or yellow. The fracture is uneven. Cleavage is one set. Hardness value is very low because it is extremely soft, so it is 1. Specific gravity is 2.7 and the formula is Mg3Si4 O10 OH whole twice. So these are some varieties of talc. First is soapstone, next is potstone, and third is French chalk. Uses of talc. So talc is a valuable industrial material because its many useful properties. That is, it is extremely soft and smooth. So it is utilized in paper industry. It is utilized in pesticide and insecticide industries. It is used to manufacture talcum powder. So paints, ceramics, rubbers, etc. are manufactured using talc only. So it will be interesting to know that seals of Mohenjo-daro and Harappan civilization were made from silicate. तो जो वहां पे मुद्राएं जो सील्स चलती थी वो भी सिलिकेट से ही बनी हुई थी मोहनजोदारो और हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन के टाइम की. Next is calcite. This is the most important rock forming carbonate mineral. Its chemical composition is CaCO3, calcium carbonate. It is usually colorless or white. The streak is also white. Luster is vitreous. And perfect is 2 or up to 3 sets of cleavage. H value is 3 and specific gravity is again 2.7. Occurrence. So calcite may be inorganic or organic origin. It exists as limestones and marbles. So limestone, when given specific conditions, it is converted into marble under certain reactions. Uses. So it is used in rubber and textile industries. It is also used in paints and distempers. Calcite is a chief raw material for cement industry and calcium carbide and metal polish industry. तो calcite सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री का एक बहुत ही चीफ रॉ मटेरियल है, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट. इसके अलावा मेटल पॉलिशिंग इंडस्ट्री में भी यूज होता है. सो नेक्स्ट इज गार्नेट. इट इज नेम ऑफ सिलिकेट मिनरल फैमिली एंड द जनरल फॉर्मूला इज R3R2 SiO for whole thrice. So you can pause and see the formulas. It is available in massive form in reddish brown color. The streak is white, the luster is vitreous, and the fracture type is uneven. And there is no cleavage. Cleavage is absent. Specific gravity is high. It ranges from 3.5 to 4.3. Occurrence. So garnets are more characteristic of metamorphic rocks only because they are products of medium grade metamorphism. तो metamorphism जब ये undergo करते हैं तभी ये बनते हैं. Its uses are that it is used as abrasive, especially in wood polishing. Wood polishing के लिए abrasive use की तरह use किया जाता है. Also used as gemstones. Demantoids is a variety of garnet using as gemstone. Next is kyanite. So kyanite is a typical metamorphic mineral and it shows different hardness values in different directions. तो अगर इसको टॉप टू बॉटम तोड़ा जाए तो अलग हार्डनेस वैल्यू आती है, साइड टू साइड तोड़ा जाए तो अलग वैल्यूज आती है. So it is available in braided form. The color is blue, streak is white, 2 set of cleavage, hardness value is 6 to 7 and specific gravity is 3.6 to 3.7. Occurrence. It commonly occurs as kyanite, schists and gneiss. It also occurs as basic igneous rocks. So it is used for making refractory materials, also used to manufacture glass. They are used to manufacture burner tips as well, spark plugs of the vehicles, and they are used for high voltage electrical insulators and the ceramic industry. Next is hornblende. It is a silicate of calcium, sodium, magnesium, iron and aluminium. And it is given by the formula as shown on your screen. You can pause the video and note it down. Next is serpentine. and the formula is this Mg3Si2O5OH. Color, it exhibits shades of green and sometimes brownish as well. So habit is laminar or fibrous. Cleavage is basal cleavage. Hardness value ranges from 3 to 4. Specific gravity is between 225 to 2.6, and the luster is greasy. Occurrence. Serpentine is usually formed by the alteration of magnesium silicates such as olivine, pyroxene and amphibole. तो मैग्नीशियम सिलिकेट को जब ऑल्टर करा जाता है, जब उनको थोड़ा सा उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज में चेंजेस किए जाते हैं, जैसे कि ओलिवाइन, पायरोक्सिन और एम्फीबोल में, तब सर्पेंटाइन फॉर्म होता है. तो serpentinite is a rock. Uses: chrysotile variety of serpentine is the chief source of asbestos. तो क्राइसोलाइट से ही हम एस्बेस्टॉस बनाते हैं. And asbestos products are used for the fireproofing and as an insulation material against heat and electricity. और asbestos को ही हम heat और electricity के insulation के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं construction के दौरान. So this was all with today's topic, and we'll continue a few more topics which are left over in mineralogy part in the next session. Till then, keep revising, keep studying, and if in case there is any doubt, feel free to mail me at the given email address, which you all know that is present in the end of the video. And now we'll stop the topic here and hope to meet in the next video. Till then, have a great time. Thank you. I hope you guys could understand and correlate the topics taught in today's session. If there is any query or subject matter issue, feel free to mail me at the given email ID. Live discussion sessions could also be used for discussion of doubts. Thank you.